All right, we're back for one more video. So now that I'm looking at my classwork, you'll notice that some of my assignments have a colored bubble and others have this gray bubble. The gray bubble means that you've completed them. You're done. They've been turned into me. Of course, my weekly writing journal isn't done for the week, so I have not turned it in yet. Same with my spelling menu. I don't turn those things in unless I tell you to. Now, another example of an assignment could be a Newsela. So I go to my assignment, I go to the Newsela, I press it. These are my assignments. I read, and then I take the quiz. I answer the questions to the quiz based off of my reading. I'm just going to fly through these for the sake of time. I submitted my quiz. 1 out of 4 correct. Perfect. I can review each question. That's fine. When I go back, to here, you can say mark as done. Once you've completed it, press mark as done, because once you submit your quiz, it is sent to me anyway. That way, when you go to your classwork, you'll see your Newsela is now gray because you marked it as done. On my end, I then can see that you have submitted your Newsela, so I know that it's finished. The last type of assignment you might see is a weekly writing journal where I want you to add pictures, talk about what you're doing with your family, all of the different experiences, upload videos. This has the same feel as the writing journals, the reading response journals in your spelling menu. This is going to be yours, but you're going to share it with me. So you would fill this in. Who is it by? You can add color, different fonts. You can be really creative with this one. When I ask you to add slides, I'll tell you a prompt of what to add to it. The important part about this is the same as spelling and the reading response. We are not sharing this with me. It is already shared by having your name up top. So this is another thing that we are not going to turn in. We will not turn in until I tell you to. If you have comments for me, there's private comments, which is always a really great place to ask questions. Maybe you don't want to put it on our main feed. This is a really, really great place to ask questions. So I'm hoping these videos really helped you. If you have any other questions, you can email me specifically. See ya!